Hello and welcome to Jan's Art. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I get some of my designs. Let's go again. Hello and welcome to Jan's Art, which is a subsidiary oh God. Hello, welcome to Jan's Art. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use Canva, the app, to help me with my online shop business. Yay! I got there. I thought it might be a good idea to show how I get from a piece of art that I've created like this in front of you to this, which is a dress. My store sells clothes of all different types, dresses, skirts, long dresses, short dresses, shoes, boots, the whole caboodle, guys. And in order to get it seen out there, I find using Canva is a really good tool. I don't use Canva to create the designs, mainly because I use my own artwork for my designs. But I do like to use it for promotional videos. I'm not affiliated to Canva, but I like to give props where I think props are due, and I love this site because there is so much that you can do on there. There's so many different layers you can use, different ideas. As a graphic artist, it's just wonderful for me. I may be able to speak at some point, guys. Then again, I may just give up completely. One of my favourite tools to use is the animation tool. I've never come across the ability to be able to do that before, other than like on, a video app or software. So to have it on this particular site is just such a blessing, and I love it. One of the most unique things about my stores is that all the artwork is my own. I design it, I then tweak it, I do lots of different things with it, and it's something that I'm very proud of. Anyone that buys anything from my stores will only ever see it from another person who's bought from my stores. So yeah, I'm very proud of it, and I love being able to do different things, put it on different outfits, and to turn things into completely different visions. I love that. It's one of my passions. Another of my passions seems to be the colour pink, and I don't know why, because I very rarely wear it. Well, I have got some pink, but yeah, it's not really one of my colours, but when I'm designing, I do use it a lot. So yeah, there's that. Now this particular design is an actual painting that I've used, and it works so well. And these items of clothing, I said. So this is a Canva design, and as you can see, I've got lots of elements going on here. I've got yeah, we've got different elements that I can use. Animations, where I can just use, sort of have a theme going on. They're always quite pretty, but the most important thing is that they're visually very appealing. Well, they are to me anyway, and yeah, I love Canva for that. That wasn't very informative. In fact, that was rubbish. Oh, for goodness sake, come on, buck your ideas up, girl. So what do you use it for? I hear you cry. Actually, I haven't heard anyone crying, but you get what I mean. I use it I make videos for Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok Reels. And I just think they're really fun, and I'm so glad I found Canva. Absolutely delighted. So, it looks like we've come to the end of the video. I'm sorry, absolutely hopeless at doing voiceovers. I don't know what's wrong with me. As soon as I put on the microphone, my voice just, well, the voice works, but the brain doesn't. Anyway, so I want to say to you, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found things fairly informative. Did my best. Honestly, I did. I'd also like to ask you to look at my art playlist on my channel so that you can see all the different bits and bobbies, all the different art videos I've got up there. I've got a couple of tutorials up there as well, where I think you'll find I might be able to speak. Then again, I might not. Who knows? Anyway, in the meantime, I want to wish you all the very best. Take care of yourselves. It's a rotten old world. Bye-bye for now.